Embedded figures questions in SSB Officer Intelligence Rating (OIR) tests measure visual perception, attention to detail, and intelligence. You are shown a simple figure, target figure, and several complex figures, and you must find which complex figure contains the target figure exactly. These questions are very common in SSB Stage 1 OIR tests and typically come in sets A, B, or C. An embedded figure is a small shape that is hidden inside a larger complex figure. Your task is to find where exactly that small figure is located. For example, suppose we have a triangle as the question figure. It might be hidden inside a star, a square, or a messy background. The key point to remember is the shape never changes. The figure might be rotated, overlapped, or camouflaged in a distracting design, but its size, proportion, and angles remain the same. Let us understand the stepwise approach for solving embedded figures questions. Step 1. Observe the question figure carefully. Look at the small figure and break it into basic shapes, triangles, circles, lines, or squares. Mentally trace its unique parts. Step 2. Scan the answer figures now. Check the big figures systematically from top left to bottom right. Don't get distracted by extra lines or patterns. Step 3. Use the elimination method. Quickly reject options where the shape doesn't match exactly. Step 4. Check for rotation and position. Sometimes the correct figure is rotated slightly. Don't worry, as long as shape and proportion remain unchanged, it is valid. Step 5. Confirm the final answer before selecting. Match every single line and curve to ensure accuracy. A figure is given on the left-hand side as the question figure. 4 alternatives are given on the right-hand side as answer figures. Find out in which answer figure the question figure is embedded. Now, let's discuss some smart techniques to save time. Line tracing technique. Mentally trace the unique lines of the small figure. Part recognition. Focus on one distinctive corner or angle and locate it inside the bigger figure. Odd element out rule. Usually, the correct figure is hidden in the most complex and distracting option. Practice visual memory. With practice, your brain automatically detects patterns faster. Let's begin with an easy example. Look at the small question figure. Now observe the 4 answer figures. Check each option one by one. In option A, the figure matches exactly, same shape, size, and orientation. Therefore, option A is correct. Now, a moderate level question. Here, the small figure seems tricky, but if you carefully scan the options, you'll find that option D contains the exact match. Some students get confused by extra lines in other options, but remember, we are only concerned about the hidden shape. Finally, a challenging one. This time, the small figure looks very simple, but the answer figures are crowded with distracting patterns. Here, option D again is correct. Notice how your eyes must focus on unique lines to find the right answer quickly. To master embedded figures, don't look at the entire figure, focus on one unique part. Be comfortable with rotated shapes, practice spotting them. In the SSB OIR test, aim to solve each question in 20 to 25 seconds. The more you practice, the faster and more accurate you'll become. Students, today we've learned how to identify hidden figures, eliminate wrong options, and solve tricky patterns effectively. Remember, success in embedded figures comes from sharp observation, quick pattern recognition, and consistent practice. In the next session, we'll practice mixed-level embedded figure questions to strengthen your speed and accuracy. Thank you for joining today's session. Jai Hind.